The purpose of today's assignment is to expose and educate the entire Hazelwood Elementary community to different important Black figures in history and the present and how they contribute to society. This exhibit is just part of our ongoing mission to teach the history of our society from all points of view. Today, students are going to be learning about Lupita Nyong'o, and you're going to click on this link to go to her locker page to learn about her. You'll click on different things, like as soon as it loads, I'll show you. You can read her facts, you can click on different pictures to watch videos or go to different websites to learn facts about Lupita Nyong'o. So just click around on the different pictures and follow the links that you find and read the facts about her. It says, I am an immigrant born in Mexico and raised in Kenya. I'm an activist standing up for gender equality and cultural diversity in Hollywood, and I'm an actress, director, producer, and author. When you're done reading about Lupita Nyong'o, watching the videos and clicking around to learn about her, you will click right here on the link to upload a picture of your work, and you're going to be following the same format you have been the past few days. You're going to write 3 things that you learned about her, 2 things that popped into your head while you were reading or watching about her, and 1 question that you still have.